The Océ ClearConnect user panel helps you to easily create the job you want. In this instruction video, we are going to introduce the main features of the Océ ClearConnect. The main screen of the Océ ClearConnect is called the home screen. From the home screen, you can select the scan, copy, or print tile dependent upon your job. At the top of the home screen, you see the dynamic bar. The dynamic bar consists of the active job and the system menu thumbnail. When you tap the active job, or you swipe the dynamic bar down, you can see the jobs queue. All jobs waiting in the queue are listed here. You can select a job, move it up or down the list, or delete it. When you tap the system thumbnail, the system menu opens. Here, you can find all the information regarding the machine itself. At the top right-hand side, the general information on the machine is listed. You see the printer itself, and you can check the loaded media and the toner status. From the list on the lower right-hand side, you can perform tests and check or change general settings. You can always return to the home screen by pressing the Home button. At the bottom of the home screen, you find the Smart Access. The Smart Access is dynamic and differs for the copy, scan, or print tile. For scan jobs and new print jobs, you can select the location you want to print from or scan to in the Smart Access. When you tap a copy, scan, or print tile twice, a window with presets and advanced settings opens. You can easily change settings with the help of the presets. When you want to make more specific changes, you can tap All Settings or swipe it upwards. A complete overview of all settings is visible, and you can make settings according to your preferences. In the Job pane on the right-hand side, you can perform actions related to your job. Here you can make sets, see the job settings, start or delete a job. Scan jobs or print jobs that are located in the Smart inbox can also be previewed on the user panel. Select the job and tap the preview thumbnail to view your job in a separate window. Spread and pinch to zoom in or out. This way, you can check if your job is correct before you print or save it. You can see that the Océ ClearConnect's unique features give you a range of possibilities that make copying, scanning, or printing even more easy.